Hi everyone, I am Himani Satrawala.
And I am Hina Uttam Chandani, fashion design students from Design Equal College. Today, we are excited to take you through a special design project. We recently worked on a case study given by Design Equal College in collaboration with Sentry.
Under the Identity 2025 Hackathon, our challenge was to create a collection for Gen Z's women inspired by the iconic fashion era of the 1920s. Our client is women aged 20 to 30 who want stylish, expressive looks in the mid-high market range who loves nightlife. For our collection, we choose two strong sources of inspiration. First, the effortless elegance of the little black dress. And the second, the bold geometric architecture of the Art Deco movement. The little black dress represents simplicity, confidence, and effortless style. Qualities that still resonate with Gen Zs today. In contrast, Art Deco brings in striking symmetry, geometric shape, rich ornamentation, and a sense of modernity that defined the 1920s. To start, we dive deep into researching 1920s fashion, looking at silhouettes, typical fabrics, accessories, and the cultural influences of the time. We explored how women's fashion evolved during that decade, from loose silhouettes to embellished details, from flapper energy to bold modernity. Parallel to that, we studied Art Deco architecture, focusing on its sharp lines, symmetry, metallic accent, and structure compositions. Along with this, we went to the different stores like Zudio and Fashion Only and other to see the current trend, sequin, and beads embellishments.
With our research in place, we begin developing concepts through rough sketches, motive studies, and mood board. We experimented with blending minimal sophistication from the little black dress with architectural features like angular seams and geometric embellishments. Using Photoshop, we converted these ideas into a complete range plan, mapping out each garment into the understanding of flow of the collection. This helps us visualize how the pieces could come together, balancing simplicity with statement-making Art Deco elements. For the final output, we shifted our work into a Clo 3D. Here, we focused on achieving realistic drapes, accurate fabric behavior, and precise fit customization, bringing the ensemble to life in 3D. After that, we proceeded in making drafts of the ensemble according to the measurements of our client, which further went of the cutting of the fabric and then stitching of the final garment by stitching base fabric, attaching net to the hem, making the cape, and doing embroidery with sequins, tube beads, and threads. Each detail is made by taking inspiration from the 1920s, keeping in mind of the current trends, which includes asymmetrical handkerchief hemline and the cape, which is the timeless piece wherein the motifs are inspired by the Art Deco architecture, including scallop lines and the geometric pattern, which is done by sequins and beads.
So, here is the final output and photo shoot.
Working on this project has been an incredible learning experience. It allowed us to merge historical inspiration with modern Gen Z aesthetics while strengthening our research, digital development, and 3D garment visualization skills.
We are truly grateful to our college and Sentry for giving this opportunity under the Identity 2025 Hackathon.